Students, today we will discuss about past tense. In the previous class, we discussed about present tense and also its different forms. Present simple, present indefinite, simple by indefinite, present progressive by continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Similarly, each tense has four forms. Past tense has four forms, present tense has four forms, and also future time has four forms. Today we will learn past tense. When a verb refers to past time, the verb used in the sentence will be past tense. The action which is completed in the past time. In that case, we use the past form of the verb. Now we will discuss about the different forms of past tense. The first one is forms of past tense. First one is simple past. Past indefinite. Past indefinite. Past indefinite. Like present tense and its different forms, there are also some rules on which we can use these forms. First simple by the past simple by past indefinite form of past tense is used when the first rule when we talk about an event that took place in the past, the event that has already done but happened. To talk about the event, we use the past form of the verb. For example, he broke the stick. To talk about an action that happened in the past, To talk about an action that happened in the past. For example, he broke the stick. He broke the stick. We played cricket. These are some of the examples of past simple. And the first rule will talk about an event which took place in the past. Second rule, to indicate past habit. Second rule, to indicate past habit. To indicate past habits. In that case, we can also use past simple. For example, Marini used to get up late when she was a child. I used to read a lot of storybooks when I was a student. Similarly, I came to school early. When I was a student. When I was a student, I was a student. 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 I came to school early when I was a student. The third rule is to talk but to narrate a story. When we narrate a story, we use past simple form of the verb. Third, to narrate a story, to narrate, to narrate a story. When we narrate a story, we use past simple form of the verb. For example, our freedom fighters fought bravely to make India free. The freedom fighters fought bravely to make India free. This event happened in the past, so we use past simple form of verb. Ashoka was the son of King Ajatasattu. It was also a history, but a matter of the history. So in this case, we use past simple form of the verb. So these are some of the rules where we can use past simple. So what is the first rule? To talk about an action that happened in the past. So the action that happened in the past. In that case, we can use past simple form. Another rule is to indicate past habit. To indicate past habit, we can also use past simple form of the verb. Third, to narrate a story. Narrate a story. Once upon a time there lived a king. One day the king met a lion that could talk. Once upon a time there lived a king. And there was a king who lived some years ago. There was a king who lived in the past form verb live. So to narrate a story, you want to talk about the history. Another rule is to talk about history, to talk about the history from a historical event, give a story. This is all about the rules of the usage of past simple form of the verb. Now we discuss about the present, past progressive form of the verb. Past progressive, past irregular, past progressive. Past progressive. Past progressive. It is the second form of past tense. First form is past simple, that is the action which started in the past, ended and also ended, and it happened in a short period of time. In that case, we can use past simple form of the verb. Past progressive says that the action which started in the past and continues for some time. In that case, we can use past progressive, past continuous form of the verb. Example, he was going to market, but I was reading a storybook. I was reading a storybook. She was playing chess. These action verbs, read, play, it takes some time to complete play. It cannot be completed in a short time, and also read cannot be completed in a short time. It must take some time. So the verb that happened in the past, it took some time to complete. In that case, we can use past progressive form verb. In past simple, the action which started in the past and ended in the past, and it happened within short period of time, but the action we started in the past, ended in the past, and it took some time, but it took a long duration time. In that case, we can use past progressive form of verb. Third one, past perfect tense. First रहेगा past tense simple, two रहेगा past progressive, three रहेगा past perfect. Past perfect. Now we read how where we can use past perfect form of verb. Past perfect tense is used to sequentialize past action. Actually, it is used for the action that took place in the distant past. For example, I ate my dinner after I had taken my bath. But I came to school after I had completed my homework. This is some of the examples. I came to school. I came to school after I had completed my homework. My homework. Here I have used two for both the verb, simple past and also past perfect. I had completed. I came to school after I had completed my homework. That means I have already completed I had already completed my homework and then I came to school. Here is the past perfect form of the verb. A structure रहेगा past simple और structure रहेगा past simple structure. Past simple का first part past simple. The structure रहेगा subject plus verb past form. Past form. Past progressive रहेगा progressive. Subject plus was were plus ing verb ing form. Then past perfect. Past perfect रहेगा the format. Subject रहेगा तब had plus verb en form. These are some of the forms of past simple, past progressive and perfect. Here I have used I had completed my homework. I as subject, had verb had and be en form completed. तापर पड़ेगा past perfect continuous tense. It is the last part of past tense. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Continuous. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous. This is used for an action that continued for some duration time in the past. To express an action that completed in the past time and it also took some duration time, a long duration time. In that case, we can use past perfect progressive form of verb. For example, she had been playing. The farmer had been working in the field, for 2 hours. This is past perfect continuous form of the verb. Structure: past simple कहली, past progressive कहली, past perfect कहली, past perfect continuous. That structure क्या रहेगा? Past perfect continuous का progressive हो जाएगा. Continuous का structure रहेगा, subject रहेगा plus had plus been plus verb और ing आएगी. This is all about the past tense and its uses in different forms. In simple past, the first form of past, again I remember all the forms. Past tense has 4 forms. Each tense has 4 forms. So past tense has 4 forms. Past simple, past progressive, past progressive continuous, past perfect progressive. In first part, but in simple past, but past indefinite, we use for an action that took place in the past. For an action that took place in the past, in that case, we can use past simple form. Another rule: to indicate past habits. The habits, that means the work we have been doing again and again in the past tense. The action, but the work we were doing in the past time as a habit. Third rule: to narrate a history, to describe or narrate a historical event, we can also use past simple form of the verb. Fourth rule is to talk about history, to narrate a story, to talk about a historical event. In that case, we can use past simple or past indefinite form. The second form is past progressive. We can use past progressive form of the verb for the action which started in the past and it continued for some time. In past simple past, the action happened in the past and it took place in short period of time. But in case of past progressive, the action took some duration time to be completed. Third, past perfect, the action which had completed in the past. And in past perfect progressive, we use the action that continued for some duration time and also in the past time. The action started in the past, it continues, but it continued for some time until the work is finished. So these are different forms of past tense. In next class, we will discuss about future tense, future time, and also its different forms. Thank you very much, students.